Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to help you with a herb to make your baby walk very fast, to treat diabetes, high blood pressure, ringworm, and other purposes. So, the herb that you are seeing on the screen is what you call the Ciplukan plant. Scientifically, it is called the Physalis Angulata. It is a very common herb. If you go to any nearby bush, you can easily get this useful herb. The Yoruba people call it the koropo, and then it is a herb that you can easily get it, as I said. So if you just show the picture to your neighbors, they can easily help you to identify this particular herb. It has so many benefits. If your child is not walking, you can easily use this herb. So your child will walk before 8 months if you use this particular herb. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use it for diabetes, high blood pressure, lungs disease, how to use it for your child to walk fast, and a whole lot of other benefits. So let's start with diabetes. If you have diabetes, you are just going to get enough of the root of the Physalis Angulata, and then you wash it very well. You are going to boil it for about 20 minutes for some of the water to evaporate. And then you just have to drink 1 cup. So you are going to drink 1 cup only once a day for 2 weeks. And then your diabetes will be nowhere to be found. It will just leave you. Your sugar level will become normal for you. So that is how you are going to use it for diabetes. If you also have high blood pressure, you are going to get some of the fruits. So the fruit is what you see on the screen. That is what you are going to use. You are going to get some and then you boil it. So you are going to boil it up for about 20 minutes and then you allow it to cool. After cooling, you are going to drink half a glass or 100 ml twice daily after eating. And then for about 2 weeks, your blood pressure will become normal. And then also, if you have lung disease, if you are such that you are having lung disease, all that you are going to do is that for this one, we are going to uproot the whole plant. If you have lung disease, what you are going to do is that you uproot the whole plant and then you wash it very well. So you are going to uproot the plant. You are going to use its fruit, leaves, stem, and everything. You wash it very, very, very well so that it remove all the dirt from it. Please, if you are using herbs, kindly ensure that you wash it very well, because these days some people may apply certain things like fertilizers around. So those things, when they are on the herb, it will not help you. So kindly ensure that you always wash your herbs very well. Kindly put some salt into water and then use it to wash the herb, especially if you are including the root that has been the soil for some time. So wash it very well. So after washing, what you do is that you now boil it. So after boiling, you drink half a small disposable cup, so about 100 milliliters. You are going to drink 2 times daily for 1 week, and then you see that the lung disease will be nowhere to be found. And then also, if you are having asthma, you are also going to boil the whole plant like you are doing for the lung disease. You boil the whole plant, and then what you do is that you drink 1 cup twice daily for 2 weeks. You are just going to drink 1 cup. So if you get about 150 ml, you can drink it for 2 weeks, and then you see that the asthma will be a thing of the past. And then also, if you are such that you are having ringworm, if you are such that you have ringworm, you are that one, you are going to grind it. You are going to grind the whole plant. You are going to grind it very well, and then you apply it on the problem or the ringworm 3 times daily. So in the morning you apply, in the evening you apply on it, in the afternoon you apply. You are going to do this for about 2 weeks, and then the ringworm will go. And then also, if you are having fever, the quickest solution is that you are going to eat about 5 of the fruits of the plant. And then you see that your feverishness will just vanish from you. And then if you're having arthritis or joint pains, if you're having arthritis or joint pains, you are just going to grind the leaves with turmeric. So if you have raw turmeric, fresh one, you are going to grind it with this leaf, and then you are going to apply on the problem. So you apply on the problem and then you use something to tie it. So if maybe you are having a knee pain or any joint pain, you are going to apply it on it, and then you use a bandage to bandage it, or use some cloth to tie it on it. So we are going to do this for about a week, and then that joint pain will just leave you for good. Now let's look at how you are going to use it to make your child walk very, very fast. So as I said, if you use it for your child is going to walk before 8 months. This one is tried and tested. A lot of people are bringing testimony. So please kindly do same. So what that you are going to do is that you are also going to uproot the whole plant, or if you can only get the leaves, you can only use the leaf. You are going to boil the leaf, and then after boiling the leaf, you sieve the water. So after the normal bath of the child with soap and sponge, what you are going to do is that you now use the water to rinse the child's body. So every morning and evening after bathing the child, you are going to rinse the child's body with this water, the water that you have boiled. If you can get the plant every day, you can decide to be boiling it every day. But if you cannot get, you can boil enough and then be heating it. So you are going to use it when it is warm. Please, for this one, you are not going to mix it with any water. After boiling the water, don't say that you are going to add another water to it so that you use it to rinse the child's body. It's like after boiling it, if it is too hot, just allow it to cool. Don't add any cold water to it. Just use the water from this plant to rinse the child's body. So after rinsing the child's body with this, you are not going to use towel. Just allow it to dry on the child. For this one, you can do it once a day or twice a day. If you are not somebody who get free time to do it twice a day, you can do it once a day and it is still going to work for you. So just allow it to dry on the child for some time. So if you do this for about 2 weeks, within the 2 weeks, surely the child is going to walk before 8 months. So please, even if you have a child, the child has grown, like maybe the child is 9 months, 10 months, or 12 months. Sometimes people complain that even after 12 months going, still the child is not walking. If you have that problem, kindly ensure that you bath the child with this particular remedy, and you are going to bring a very big testimony. So that is how you are going to use it. There are a lot of things we can say about this herb, but for now, let's end it here. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, because there are a lot of herbs, and then this particular herb too, I'll come and say a lot of things about it again. So please kindly subscribe to the channel for more remedies and more directions. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.